Okay folks, welcome back to week 11. This is Todd with the $20 budget prepper. We're at Dollar General today to see what they got. This one, as you can see, is kind of out in the middle of nowhere. However, it is about 3 or 4 minutes away from a super Walmart, so I've not particularly shopped at this store before, so let's just see what we can get. So here is the frozen aisle, frozen treat aisle. There's nothing there. Shelves actually look halfway decent, so let's go walk down this one. Yeah, got some empty shelves here, and this is empty here. This is the juice aisle. This is the canned meat aisle. Well, Dollar General shelves are kind of empty, so let's just see what I can come up with. I'm going to try my best to get everything here, but it might not happen. So let's. Okay, folks, pickings were kind of slim at that Dollar General. As you can see, this is what I managed for our $20 budget. I did pick up some of their brand, Clover Valley brand, of the roast beef. I'll probably do a taste test on it, and also to see if it's got a low amount of meat like the Walmart brand did. As you can see here, we ended up spending, I went over 49 cents. So not bad. I hate to say it, but I don't think I'll be going back to Dollar General anytime soon. It's just not, you just don't get a whole lot for the 20 bucks. At least I know if I go into Dollar Tree, I can get 14 items, since everything there is $1.25. But we did end up with, on this haul, 240 grams of protein, 26 servings, and 4,200 calories. So anyway, I appreciate y'all. God, I can't even talk. Appreciate y'all stopping by, checking it out. I do apologize for the delay, but it's been a crazy 16 days at work. I've been doing, worked 13 out of 16 days doing 12-hour shifts. So quite frankly, I've been pooped out on my days off. So anyway, we're back on track now. We'll get it going. And again, I appreciate y'all stopping by. Appreciate you checking out my videos. Appreciate all my new subscribers. Again, this is Todd with $20 Budget Prepper. I'm gone.